Good morning, students. Welcome back. My name is Deepak and I'm a mathematics teacher. In this video, we are going to learn about the topic how to write a number in Indian system of numerations, place values and face values of a number. All these headings are under the main heading that is numbers, which is the first chapter. So let's begin without wasting any time. So beginning with the first topic, that is how to write a number in Indian system of numeration. So the very first thing that you need to know about Indian system of numeration, that is there are periods, which you can see over here the top left. Second one is the places, okay, and then we can write the digits for which we have to arrange them in the Indian system of numeration. Okay, talking about periods. Periods are basically the main headings जिससे हम बोलते हैं hundreds में है, thousands में है, lakhs में है numbers. Under the period hundreds, we got these two subcategories, three subcategories, that is ones, tens and hundreds. Under the main heading of thousands, period of thousand, we get thousand and 10,000, and under lakh, we got lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay, let's say for example, we have a number. The number is, let's say, 261,934. Okay, and we have to write this number in Indian system of numeration. Okay, so to avoid any mistakes, I would always ask you to begin from the right hand side, which means from this way. Okay, so the very first number is 4, so write 4 over here. So at the ones place you will write 4, then you will write 3 at the tens place, then 9 at the hundreds place, then 1 at the thousands place, 6 at 10,000s place, and 2 at lakhs place. Now if we need to know how we will call this number, so what we'll do, we'll directly move towards the first digit is 2. So 2 is under the heading of lakhs. So 2 lakhs, and how many thousand? 61,000, right? So 2 lakhs 61,934. Okay, so in this way we are going to call this number. Okay, so let's take one more example. Okay, so let's take an example of another number. Let's say the number is 923765. Okay, so again, as I said to you, moving from the right hand side, we'll first write the number that is 5. Okay, so we'll directly write number 5 over here, then it's going to be 6, then 7, then 3, then 2, then 9. So 923765. We can again always retaliate and check whether we have copied the same number or not. Mistakes हो जाते हैं कभी कभी, कोई बात नहीं. चलो, so again we'll do this number ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs. So how many lakhs? 9 lakhs. How many thousand? ऐसे 9 lakhs. Thousands का जो period है इसको block कर दो. How many thousands? 23,765. Okay, so there is one more thing which covers under the same topic, that is to place commas in a given number according to Indian system of numeration. Again I would say यहाँ पर बेटा periods के according हम करते हैं. जैसे हमारा एक पीरियड खत्म होता है हम उसके कॉमा प्लेस करते हैं, लाइक से हंड्रेड्स के बाद वी विल प्लेस अ कॉमा, मूविंग फ्रॉम राइट हैंड साइड टूवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, देन थाउजेंड्स के बाद वी विल प्लेस अ कॉमा, फिर लेक्स के बाद अगर वहाँ पे नंबर होता है तो. ओके, तो अगर हम यहाँ पर बात करते हैं फॉर दिस गिवन नंबर, दिस स्पेसिफिक नंबर, हाउ विल प्लेस कॉमर्स. लेट्स जस्ट इरेज दिस थिंग फर्स्ट. Okay, this is 3, right? This is 7. Perfect. So ones, tens, hundreds, we'll place one comma over here. Then thousands, we'll place another comma over here. Okay. एक और चीज़ होती है, there is one more cycle जो कि बहुत ही simple होता है. If we talk about placing commas, let's say we are taking a number, any sort of number. Let's say we are taking a 10-digit number, 9 2 3 4 5 7 2 9 7 6. Okay, this big number. Okay, अब यहाँ पे तो अब यू नॉट गोइंग टू काउंट वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड, थाउजेंड, 10,000, लाख, 10 लाख, करोड़, ऐसे आप नहीं कर रहे हैं काउंट. द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म, फ्रॉम द मूविंग फ्रॉम द राइट हैंड साइड टूवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, पहले आप 3 डिजिट्स के बाद एक कॉमा प्लेस करेंगे, देन 2 डिजिट्स के गैप में, हर बार, एवरी सिंगल टाइम at the gap of 2 digits. Okay, so in this way we can place commas in Indian system of numeration. Let's try one more question based on the same thing, how to place commas. Let's say there's another number. The number is 219364. Okay, a 6-digit number जो कि आपके कोर्स में भी है. चलिए, so first you'll copy the number 219364. As I said to you, moving from the right hand side towards the left hand side, पहले आप 3 digits को skip करके कॉमा प्लेस करेंगे, then after 2 digits. बस खत्म, simple, easy ना. 3 digits and then 222 always, every single time. Okay, chal. Now moving towards our second topic, that is to find the place value and the face value of a given number. Let's say if we talk about a number that is 217398. okay, जैसे आपको बताया था मैंने, सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे, यू विल अरेंज द नंबर्स इन इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन. यहाँ आपको पीरियड्स पे ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देना है, यू जस्ट नीड टू नो द प्लेस. वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड्स, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. Okay, so now if I ask you to tell me the place value of the underlying digit. Okay, so the underlying digit over here is, let's say, 7. So what is the place value of 7? How will you say? Okay, so the place value of 7 is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. तो 1000 उसकी place हो गई है ना, and value जो number पे depend करता है, number क्या है, it is 7. So we'll multiply the place by the number. So the place value of this given number will be 7000. Okay, how do we write it? Basically place multiplied by the number, यानी कि जो face value होती है उसकी. Let's try one more question. The next question is, let's say 319265. Okay, now here you need to find the place value of the underlying digit, that is 3. Okay, so सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, we will write the number 319265. Okay, now write the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. Okay, cool. So 3 we are talking about, so 3 is under the category, under the place of lakhs, right? So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. तो वन पहले आप lakhs लिख लीजिए ऐसे. Okay, now the number is 3, so we'll multiply the place by 3, so you will get the number is 3 lakhs. Okay, I think this topic is very clear to everyone. Now talking about the face value. Face value is the most simplest topic of your standard 4th. Okay, now place value is as simple as we ask a child to recognize a number. Okay, जैसे हमने किसी बच्चे से बोला है कि बताइए नंबर क्या है. If I ask you what is this number, what will you say? Obviously 9, right? 9. If I ask you what is this number, you will say, sir, 0, right? I am writing in words so the just to make you clear कि हाँ भाई इसी टॉपिक के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, that is कि भाई बस we just need to tell कि ये नंबर है क्या, which number is it. Okay, let's say if I am writing this number. Okay, now what is this number? This is 1, right? So what is the face value of this number? This is 1. Perfect, the same number which you can see. Okay, now many times in question it is being asked, write the face value of the given digit, underlying digit, in words. Now let's say there's a question 91297. Okay, now if I ask you to find the face value of the underlying digit, irrespective of the place, वो कौन सी भी place पर है, हमें उससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है. ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands, 10,000, हमें उससे बिल्कुल फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है. हमें बस ये देखना है कि वो जो underlying digit है वो digit कौन सी है. It is 2, right? So you can write that the face value of the underlying digit is 2, and because it was asked कि write the face value of the given digit in words, so you can write this digit as TWO, simple. Okay, I think this topic is absolutely clear to everyone. Okay, so in this video we have learned two things, that is how to write a number in Indian system of numerations and how to place face values and place values of a given digit. So this is all for today. Thank you so much students. Have a nice day ahead.